As you can see, all these items here were the takedown. So now it's time to clean it all up and put it back because I have not figured out how I would like to fall into decorating my kitchen. I have some ideas here and there, but nothing has really sparked my interest. Nothing has given me a clear vision as of yet. One of my biggest problems is I keep thinking that I need more stuff. I don't have exactly what I wanted. And I'm determined not to invest too much money in decorating for fall because Christmas is around the corner and I have my sights on some amazing things that I would like to get for Christmas. So I'm in a little dilemma here. And it's hard for me to jumpstart getting into my kitchen decorating. However, I'm just going to clean up the items that I removed from off the surfaces, off the countertops, and then I'm going to put them back until I get a clear vision of what I want my kitchen to look like. And that's going to have to happen soon because the fall will be over before you know it. I just spent the day cleaning up and getting the kitchen ready for my fall decor. I think I'm afraid that I don't have enough to decorate with like I would like to, but I'm going to figure out something and make it work. So look at here, who do we have? Mr. and Mrs. Hen. Aren't they the cutest ever? They come in twos for $12.99, and they have the one that's sold separate for $14.99. And I picked these up from HomeSense, my favorite store, of course. I just love the colors. The beige, black, and gold. Very close to my signature colors of gold, silver, black, and white. Yeah, so I'm just putting the kitchen back in order till I get a clearer vision for how I want it to look for the fall. It's going to have a totally different color scheme because I'm using some of my decor from last year. And that's, I think, one of the reasons why I've been kind of hesitant too, because I would love for my color scheme to stay the same, flowing from room to room. However, we're all going to make it work anyway. Yes, it's going to have to do what it do, and it will be just fine. I've been buying like fall items to go with what I already have, and mainly from the dollar store and a couple other places.